Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the periodic force strength on THRUSTMASTER T-GT II. To do it, go to Settings in Wheel Control Panel. Now go to Detailed Gain Settings and you'll find Periodic. You can set it to whatever value you want. I'm gonna set it to 0, and then if you go to Test Forces, you can test the forces on your own skin. So let's try testing the engine force by clicking on the button on the back of the left side. You can see it doesn't do nothing at all. Then the right button actually does do it with the blown tire option. Then boing doesn't do anything, explosion doesn't do anything, open sea doesn't do anything at all, and turbo boost and all the other ones don't do anything at all. So you can see the periodic one is applied to all the forces that are in the test forces feedback. So it's worth noting that, but if I set it to like 50%, then they actually will be sort of visible, but just milder. Besides the blown tire, which is going to be 100% still, because it's assigned to a different force option. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.